Erokamano kuom keto Ramogi TV kani Josiasa maketo sirkal tesre oseyo piny owacho ka giwacho ni tiyo gi jonjore e rocho ng'anyo mar rowere kaachiel gi ketho mwandu. Jotelogo manoting'o gai mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua, Martha Karua mar PLP, Eugene Wamalwa, Kalonzo Musyoka kod Justin Muturi wacho ni gidhi donjo ne jatend piny Kenya William Ruto e doho ma pacho ka kod mar piny mangima ewi nek mag rowere.
Early on Monday, July 7th, unmarked police vehicles transported state-sponsored militias with instructions to loot, destroy specific businesses, and kill peaceful protesters. These state-sponsored militias worked closely with the police and meted senseless violence, shooting aimlessly at people's homes and attacking innocent bystanders. In another chilling incident reminiscent of Boniface Kariuki's tragic killing, these rock elements executed in cold blood an innocent civilian going to work. Enough is enough. 2027 is too far. We cannot allow another day of unchecked killings. We will publicize a list of shame and call on the public to share any information on businesses affiliated to this list of shame.